Hey, crafty friends. This is my favorite fake bake. I am using the Crayola modeling clay. It is actually cheaper to get it from Amazon than it is from Hobby Lobby. There's 4 packs inside of this. I'm sorry, 5 packs. Each pack will make 4 to 5 depending on how big you want the cinnamon roll. So I found it was easier to break your inside pack into 4 to 5 different pieces so you know how many you need to roll out. Then once you play around with it, start rolling it out, this is going to be the base for the cinnamon rolls. So get it pretty long, and depending on how big you want them, I wanted mine pretty beefy. So when I flatten it out, making it about an inch, maybe even an inch and a half. That's a mini rolling pin I got from Hobby Lobby in their miniature Christmas tree ornament section. Then once you roll it out, you're going to start to roll it. And I did this at a slant to help give my cinnamon roll more depth rather than being so flat. Once that's done, then I kind of soften the edges, pushing it down, and then just flattening it and pulling it at the same time. Just trying to make it more realistic looking. So it's not flat on the bottom. Now I'm using my grunge mixture. Sorry. That is coffee, instant coffee, cinnamon, orange extract, vanilla extract, anything and everything. I just put it in a jar, put it in the fridge. I ended up doing 2 coats of this. So this is the first coat, and I also did the bottom as well. Once the top dries, then I did do the bottom. This gives it that nice baked look. Then instant coffee and cinnamon with Mod Podge. So here I'm going to go around all of the inside of each one, and what I did was put Mod Podge on for the whole thing, and then I sprinkled my coffee, and then I sprinkled my cinnamon. This is the tedious part, but doing it this way makes it look more realistic. And then dump the excess off. That was a little too much cinnamon, so I'm going to spread it around. Get a little more coffee in there. And I kind of did this as an assembly line, so I made all of the cinnamon rolls, then I grunged them all, then I Mod Podged them all. These were specifically made for a huge craft fair that we did over this last weekend, and these were a pretty good hit. I did have to put a note up saying that they were fake. I was pretty impressed with myself. And I buy the dollar store instant coffee. There's no reason to use good coffee for this. So here they are drying. We will clear coat them, let them dry, and then I will use puffy paint to put the icing on the top. There you go. Happy crafting.